Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the set of wrenches that I purchased from Tractor Supply Company. This is, I believe, their brand. It's called Jobsmart or Jobsmart. It has lifetime warranty, it says there, and it is 16 pieces for each set. This is the metric and this is SAE. These were $7 a piece, so the $7, $14, and each one is 16, so that gives you 32 pieces. Let's see what it says in the back. Oh, nothing. Okay. And it has this sort of holder thing. You can keep them like this. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this thing here. There we go. That's done. And this one. I mainly bought these actually for my son. He's young, he's little, but he can, you know, play with these and learn his way around bolts, stuff like that. So it's a good experience for $14. He already has a toolbox and stuff like that. All right, so you can see how it opens like so. Very neat design actually. Yeah, very neat design. So here is one of them. This is size 11/16. It says here Jobsmart. It's engraved in there on both sides actually. And the open end here has a smooth sides. And the box end here is 12 points. And this is the metric. Size 15, same thing with the branding, 15 millimeter, also smooth, and 12 point. They feel decent, you know, with $7 a set and hassle-free warranty, or just, you know, lifetime warranty. That's a pretty good deal. Let's see how to remove this thing. Here we go. Okay, so this is the stubby one, 5/16, and this is another stubby here, 15 millimeter, same size as that, but it's of course shorter. Alright, so this is a quick review, guys. Nothing fancy here. Just wanted to share this video with everyone in case you are interested in this set. At least you will have a reference, point of reference to go by. Alright, need to close the lid here. Same thing with this one. Pretty cool set again for, you know, $14 with lifetime warranty. Alright, thank you so much again for watching this quick video with me. If you enjoyed it and you feel it was useful and fun, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Alright, thank you so much. Leave a comment if you have one. Bye-bye.